Happy Tuesday. A little bit about what we're going to do today. Click on B-Day. This is your new notebook. Here's today's announcements. You're going to have several learning activities for today. You will need to listen as I tell you what you are to do. First thing you're supposed to do is you're supposed to go to Padlet. It says respond to Padlet. Instructions are on the Padlet and an audio on my post. So if you click to Padlet, there are my instructions. You need to listen to the instructions. Basically, what you're going to do is you are going to write down a characteristic of life. Some characteristic that shows something is alive. When you want to do this, you'll double click. I need your name. I also need one characteristic of life. If you don't like it, you can trash it and start over. Okay? That's a little bit about Padlet. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to read the selection on characteristics of life from CK12. There's something called an immersive reader. If you click on that, it'll basically read it to you. You can adjust the font. That's a little big for me, so you can adjust the font. You can do a dark theme. Okay, don't get hung up on all these themes. Just realize that this is to help you. You also can choose a language. You can scroll down. You can select whatever language you need. I would assume the other language that we might need would be Spanish, Mexico. You would click on that. Okay. When you want it to read to you, then you close this out. When you want it to read to you, there is a button here that you would push.
Reading characteristics of life. Is fire alive? Fire can grow. Fire needs fuel and oxygen. But fire is not a form of life, although it shares a few traits with some living.
Okay, not going through all that. This is quite lengthy, so you may actually want it read to you. Don't really care one way or the other. There's a mommy kitty with her babies. Okay, there is a video that you need to watch. Okay, and this is a summary of the video. Okay, next thing you're going to do you have questions. These questions, can't talk. These questions can be found in your science notebook, but here is also a link so that you won't even have to look. Okay, other than to find out that it's for week 1. Here are the questions. They need to be written in your science notebook. When it's true, false, you do not need to write both true and false. Viruses can evolve, so they are alive, so you would put true or you would put false, whichever your answer is. With a multiple choice, you would only write the correct answer, the question, and the correct answer. Okay? And then we have a question that you are going to write out the answer to. Okay? If you have any questions, you just need to email me. Okay? And I think that's about all for this morning. 3 things to do. Learning about the characteristics of life. Have a great day.